So what is up, guys? Welcome again for another video. So in this video we are just going to tell you our tutorial on how to use switch to Polygon or Matic Mainnet. Okay, so you already have your MetaMask extension on your browser, and you already created your MetaMask wallet. So the next step, or the third one, is to switch to Polygon Matic Mainnet. So in order for us to do that, we just going to click here on your extension on your browser. Click here, and you will the MetaMask dialog box will be appeared, and we're just going to click here and click the custom RPC. Okay, I hope that you can follow me with that. So what are we going to do is to um fill this fill these networks with these following details. So for the network name, we're just going to put Matic Mainnet. Oh, so the new RPC URL. So we are just going to copy this and paste it right here, and then we're just going to select to input the chain ID 137 and the symbol Matic. Okay. So for the Block Explorer, this is optional, but let's just include it. HTTPS slash slash explorer dot matic dot network. Okay, so slash, let's put slash. Okay, so and after inputting all these details, we are now about to save it, and you already have your Matic. Okay, so on my next video, I'm going to tell you on how do you bridge TCP tokens from your Ethereum to Polygon, or and or how do you fund your MetaMask wallet. And I hope that you have learned something in this video. I will be posting the details on the description below so that you can copy that when inputting details on your MetaMask wallet. So I hope that you have learned something in this video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and to post a comment below so that you can tell me on where can I improve. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. Let me see you in my next video.